Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Starting out the morning with a little bit of some fog for parts of the area. And as we get later into the afternoon hours, we'll start seeing our fog dissipate. Seeing a little bit more sunshine, too. We'll also start out the morning with some clouds for parts of the area. But some of us will also see a little bit of some hazy conditions. We still have our air stagnation advisory still in effect by the National Weather Service. That continues until Sunday afternoon. We could see some hazy condition. That's also going to create some air quality concerns as we're not seeing a whole lot of wind. We also have our area of high pressure that's keeping our weather fairly stable, keeping us from seeing some of that air pollution move out of our area. Storm tracker radar this morning, we're still seeing a little bit of some clouds, especially into the Snake River Plain. These are pretty light level clouds. We're also seeing a little bit some heavier clouds in towards western Wyoming, towards Jackson. We'll continue to see some of our clouds for the morning hours, and then as we get later into the morning, early afternoon hours, we'll start seeing some of our clouds taper off. We have our area of high pressure that's continuing to keep us storm-free across the area. That'll also allow us to see some more sunshine into the weekend, keeping our temperatures slightly above normal for this time of year. But as we get later into the week, we'll start seeing some of our weather patterns change a bit. So for today, for the Snake River Plain, we'll see a little bit of some clouds this morning, some fog, patchy fog for some temperatures into the low 40s for Pocatello, but Blackfoot, Idaho Falls starting to cool off a little bit too. Might even see some of that haze once again from Blackfoot to Pocatello, but still not too bad for today. Central Mountains, we'll see some more sunshine, mostly sunny skies, a little bit of some fog this morning. Temperatures will also be slightly cooler than where we were yesterday. We'll keep our temperatures into the 30s. Mackey at 35, Leadore at 33, Salmon at 32. Will struggle to warm up above that freezing mark. Stanley not even warming up above freezing for this afternoon, but we'll still see a little bit more of that sunshine. Upper Highlands, we'll see a mix of sunshine and clouds mainly this morning. And as we get later into the afternoon hours, we'll start seeing some more sunshine, start seeing less of our cloud cover. Temperatures into the 20s for Jackson. Driggs at 28 degrees. Alpine even cooler at 27, along with Afton into the mid 20s. But some of us will warm up into the 30s. Du Bois at 34 this afternoon, along with Swan Valley. But that's as warm as it gets. Not a whole lot of warming for today. Into the Southeast Highlands, mix of sunshine and clouds for this morning. Towards the afternoon hours, we'll see even more sunshine. Temperatures even cooler than yesterday. We had areas into the 40s, but today not warming up much today. At Mount Helier at 30 degrees. Soda Springs also into the low 30s. Downey and Malad a little bit warmer, along with Preston, but really staying into the mid to upper 30s this afternoon. But that's really it. It's as warm as it gets. Into tonight, we'll see mixes, a few clouds lingering this evening. The temperatures into the teens for most of the area. Pocatello 19 degrees. Idaho Falls to Blackfoot into the mid-teens. Even cooler for St. Anthony. We'll keep our temperatures into the low teens overnight. Tonight, we'll start clearing out some more of our clouds. Central Mountains, mostly clear skies. A few areas, a few more clouds, but most of us will start clearing out our clouds. Temperatures into the teens across the area. Leadore 13 degrees. Salmon at 12, but even colder for Stanley as we stay at 0 degrees for tonight. Upper Highlands, clear skies to mostly clear skies. Even colder night ahead. We had some areas into the teens, now into the single digits. Jackson at 0 degrees. Alpine at 4. Even after, even colder will be at -1 degrees. Into the Southeast Highlands, temperatures into the teens. Some of us into the single digits, with clouds clearing out overnight tonight. Your Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast. Temperatures into the 40s. Still have our weather alert days for tomorrow. Even into Sunday, we'll still see some hazy conditions from Pocatello to Blackfoot. Temperatures continuing to stay into the 40s by next week. Teton area sunshine for the weekend into early next week. Temperatures cooling back off into the 20s. Could see some more chance of some snow showers returning by the end of the week. Central Mountains, plenty of sunshine for the weekend. Starting out nice for the holiday on Monday. Then we start to warm up into the upper 30s by midweek.